W with MRMIKE.
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a candy cane. And we only need two basic lines and shapes to create this. Arc and a line. Wow, this is gonna be great. Let's see how it all fits together. Now to create the outline of the candy cane, we're gonna start by placing an arc right about here. Just like that. And now we're going to draw another arc that comes around to this side. And when you finish the arc, make sure that the line kind of comes around this way, because what we want to do is we want the straight part of the candy cane to come down on an angle. So now we're going to take a line and continue this down to about here. And it almost looks as if we continued this around, we'd have a number 9, but we're not going to continue this, but this is what it should look like. Next, we're going to repeat this whole arc and line structure here. We're going to repeat it about that far away. So put your marker here, or your whatever drawing material you're using, and you can have it just, the arc come around, and just follow that arc so it's about that thick, and then you can make another arc and follow it around again to over here and then stop, and then we're going to draw that straight part with a line all the way down to about here. And then we're going to use two arcs to close these off. So put an arc here and an arc here. And this is the outline of our candy cane. Now we're not going to draw the shapes with black anymore. Next we're going to use red. So grab a red crayon or marker or colored pencil or oil pastel and then follow along. Now I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier to draw these lines. So I'm going to create a line here and here. And if you're using markers, try to keep the line outside of where the black is for the outline, because sometimes these markers, they pull the color in from the black and it gets all muddy. Let's fill in that shape, just like that. Okay, and next we're going to make another set. About that far up, we'll make a line, another line, and we'll color that in. And if you need to pause the video at any point to catch up, just pause the video and you can catch up. Okay, now we're going to do another set. So we'll do a line, another line, and we're going to repeat this. Fill it in with color. We're going to repeat this all the way around the candy cane. And you'll notice as we get toward the top, now we're going to turn our paper again, because the shape is turning with the curve of the candy cane. So now we're going to draw the shape here, a line here, and a line here. And you'll notice, see how this line is angled this way, but this one goes a little bit out more because it follows the curve. So do your best to make this shape and then fill it in. And then we're going to turn the paper again. We'll make a line, and then another line, and then fill it in. And then we'll turn the paper again. We'll make a line, another line, and then fill it in. Do you see? We're just repeating the same step over and over again, and we're making a pattern. Now let's turn the paper again. We'll make a line, another line, and fill it in. And this is the last one we're going to fill in. almost done. But we have one step to do all the way around, and that's our thin lines. So now we're going to turn the paper again. We're going to come back to the beginning, and we're going to draw one line and then two lines. Make sure they're in between these two colors, these two sections here, and we'll do the same thing here. One line, two lines. And again, one line, two lines. And then keep doing that all the way around the candy cane. And you can keep saying one line, two lines. And then one more time, one line, two lines. And look at our candy cane. Great job following along, everybody. Wow, this looks good enough to eat, but I probably shouldn't eat this though. No, we shouldn't eat this. No. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.